Hey, Mr. Rat Rod here. I've got a 2009 PT Cruiser. This video is going to be on changing the turn signal light bulb and how to do it. So here we are with this PT Cruiser. We're going to be changing out this light bulb for the turn signal. Now, how you go about these is they twist out. You come in behind the fender. I'm going to turn some light on here. Now, there is a little cap right here. Get your screwdriver in behind it. And pop it out. And that pulls out. Sitting up in here, right here, you need to grab it and twist it counterclockwise. Pull out, which there is the light bulb. Take the light bulb, yank it out. All right. It's always harder to do things with one hand. All right, I got it. One new light bulb. Now, take the light bulb, press the light bulb in until it clicks. And you see these here and here, they have to line back up, and you shove the light bulb back up in, which sounds easier. There's a hole up. All right. You gotta feel around there. So it fits back into place. So give me a second. I need both my hands to get the stupid little light bulb in. Now that it's in place, you just give it a slight turn, and it locks it in. Locks it into place. That way the light bulb doesn't come back out. Put your inspection panel back on. And done. There we go. One working light again. All right, please like and subscribe, and catch you on the next one.